This
That's your mean look?
That's tree cutting look.
Okay. This is our tree cutting
This is your happy coffee
duo, happy coffee drinker. Today is the day that we take a big stick and turn it into a bunch of little sticks.
Up yonder, Lawanda.
Let's take a look. Whoa, that is some big tree.
Look at Georgia, she's walking, Harry.
Georgia, stop it.
Down. Down.
That's it, that's the big one. That's the one that's coming down. Okay, so this
Harry,
is
that triple trio is the spot.
how it starts.
You're gonna go up and tie first.
I'm gonna take this branch.
Whatever you want to do. You're gonna go up and tie the ladder first, or you're gonna go up with the saw and everything.
I think I'm gonna go up with the saw and everything.
Okay. If you I'm gonna give you a hint of advice. Take a short piece and tie it to the saw and tie it to your belt. So when you're climbing around and moving, there you go.
Right there.
And do you have another one to tie yourself to the tree?
Georgia,
Yeah, I need
Georgia.
another one.
Georgia.
Tie one to your harness.
I don't think this is
I'm
long
gonna
enough.
tell you what.
I don't know if I want to use this yet. I don't know what I'm gonna use.
See this? If you tie this in and leave a loop, you can do this. You can go through here and put it around the saw and just let it hang and then undo it instead of tie and untie. Just do a slip thing. Go around like this and pass it through like this. You can let it hang like that.
And that's the
Then when you're
littlest
ready
tree
to go,
cutter.
Just undo that
Georgia.
and cut.
There's the littlest
You know,
tree
'cause
cutter.
It might get in your way.
Oh shit! Look at all the oil.
Look at this.
Oh, that's not good.
Here's our littlest tree cutter. You see him?
There he is.
All right, this is gonna be
Georgia.
used to tie up the ladder. And I don't know.
You want to go up and tie the ladder first? Or you're gonna take everything?
I'm gonna take
Get
everything.
it hooked up to cool.
I think I'm gonna use another piece and tie that. I'm just checking everything out.
See how it's leaning on the right branch?
It's actually wedged in.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere left or right.
I agree.
I think you're fine. And you're at a perfect angle. Your bottom can't slip out. If you want, I'll tie a line up. Harry, that's not good for the blade at all. Bouncing on that aluminum.
It's not gonna hurt me.
It's not going to help. You want me to tie the base of the ladder to the trunk of the tree?
No.
Okay, here goes Harry's daddy up the tree.
Oh, you don't have your goggles to keep the stuff out your eyes, do you?
No. That doesn't bother me.
You're going to get a lot of stuff in your face. No big deal. At least it's not hot. The ladder tying is commencing.
It's a lot different when you get up there.
Oh yeah. Harry, you think it's gonna well, I hope it doesn't hurt your roof for your shed.
You want the bottom wedge.
On an angle.
The bottom wedge goes up.
Alright, you tell me what angle you want.
Hold on. That is perfect.
I figured that.
Georgia, get your head back in the house.
So the bottom wedge goes up.
More?
No, that would be good, Dal. Now you want to cut straight.
Pretty funny, isn't it, Harry?
Get him going up the ladder for the anticipation, little Harry. Daddy's gonna cut that tree down, Harry. Daddy's gonna cut that down. Daddy's gonna make the whole tree fall down. And I'm gonna pull it this way so it don't hit Daddy.
Yeah, remember that you're gonna remember this day forever, son.
It's the hardest part of the whole day.
Going up.
No, taking this thing, cut this cut.
No, it's not. This is the most exciting part. Not the hardest part, the most exciting part. Tie your ladder. When you want me to come hold the base? Let me do that.
I don't don't think it's going to go
I
anywhere.
know it's tied, but it just makes you feel better. Get that warm and fuzzy feeling. Somebody at the bottom.
No, you can't go down, sweetheart.
What are you doing?
The blade's not cutting.
What do you mean?
I'm telling you, it's not cutting.
You could put it on backwards. What are you doing?
Dal, it's starting to come.
All right, go.
I can tell you right now.
Go. Harry, you don't want a breeze to blow it the wrong way. Keep going.
Hold on, Dal.
Harry, don't let a breeze get you.
Just hold on.
What are you doing?
I just need a break.
All right.
Okay, well, I'm about to run out of time.
Harry,
Go
cut
ahead and
that.
run out of time.
Harry, cut that son of a bitch. It's going to blow back on. Use your muscles. Go.
It's real close, Dal.